So let's see if they set up a grading for this program. So we go to options, configurar metas de calificaciones, and they did. Somebody did the grading for this class already. So they said from February 4th to November 22nd of November, they're going to put 50% as weighted study score and 50% as unit progress. And 0 for mastery tests. That's probably because right now not enough people are taking the mastery tests yet. So the mastery test, they may activate that later, is 85, and the goal for study score is 2. And they're supposed to have 4 units. So they calculated 4. We calculated 6, but it depends how many hours a week they're going to have, correct?
Correct.
So this is perfect. This is now well done. And let's do a grading report for this class. This is somebody else's class, so I can't change it. I wouldn't want to change it. But I can do a report for that class for, let's just do half of these students, these selected students. So we don't, it's too long, not too long. Up till today. Today is the 24th of June. So you can do this every month in your public school and generate a grade. And we're going to see a grade. And the grades measure exactly what you and I were just talking about. Study score, unit progress, and mastery tests. It doesn't grade the other things, which is time, but that can be seen very quickly. And it doesn't grade progress to the goal, which is a certificate, a B1 or C2. So here we have the grades. 2 of them are 100%, 3 are above 90, 4 are above 80, 3 are 70%, 4 are 60, and 3 are 50. See that? And up here we have the percentages. Remember the school was February 4th to November 22nd. That's a total of 291 days, of which today's date, 140 days have gone by. So about 48% of the class has finished. And here we look, this is the unit goal. The goal is 4 units for the whole year. 48% of the year has gone by, so they should have 1.9 units done.
Right.
So a lot of people have them done, 1.9, but a lot of people don't. I suspect they had no idea how many units they had to study. So the teacher never told them. The teacher tells me I need to get 4 units during the school year. You bet you I will finish those 4 units in the school year. But if I don't know, everybody was working toward the study score in this case. So we should watch. The question for this teacher is, and this teacher's is Fabio Marcio. Fabio Marcio, have you told your students? In fact, when you go and visit CETEM someday, you should be in a lab and start asking the students, what's your unit for the unit goal for the school year? If they can't tell you, you got to talk to the teacher or you got to talk to the owner of the school, because that's a problem. That makes they'll say they're bored. So we'll go back to this grading report. Weighted study score is a 2. Many people are doing well. They're doing, if I put this in order of the graded study score, look, all of them are 80 or and above except for 4. The study score is much better than the unit progress, because I suspect the teachers never told the students about the unit progress. So that tells us that when the students know what is being measured, they work towards that goal. They just told them one thing. They just told them study scores. They didn't tell them time a week, unit progress, the overall goal for a certification, or the mastery test score. They didn't tell them any of those other things. So after a while, they got really bored. So here it says the goal. The goal is 2.0. And many of them are above that goal, and some of them are a little bit below, but not very far below. So this tells me that the teacher did tell their students about the study score, but did not tell their students that they needed to finish 4 units a year. That means if after half of a year is gone, they should finish 2 units. They didn't know that. I deeply suspect that when goals are clear, students are bored less. Now, there's, a 15-year-old is bored with everything except another 15-year-old. But they will be less bored with this English program when they have the goals are set. Is this clear to you?